Hello friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Champion Series for RBWM. In the Champion Series, we are covering all the subjects, all of them. Your RBWM, your AFM, then your Indian economy, right? So all of them, PPB, all of them are covered. So I am covering RBWM. Today I will be covering this Management Information System, MIS. Now in MIS, kindly note, before going ahead, let me clear the concept of MIS. MIS means Management Information System, information needed for the management. All your banks need, all your managers, all your officers, senior officers, MD needs information. You also need the information. So that is basically, how do you get this? You get it through MIS. So it will be a very interesting session. You'll like this very much. Lot of information, many objective questions will be covered. So that's why like the video, share the video, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do this fast. Okay? So let's start. Today's topic is Management Information System, MIS. Okay? So let's start. First, here it will be a combination of theory as well as the objective questions. I will cover both. Theory and objective questions. Some theory, some objective questions. Okay? So that you don't get bored, right? So that's why. Let's move on. So, one second. Okay? Which of the following is not a step towards conversion of data into decision? Think over it. Which of them is not the step? Not. Look at this. Not the step. Is it process, information? Is it your inaction? Or is it the decision? You answer this. Okay, now that JAIIB was cutting, right? Now you can see this JAIIB also? Yeah. Otherwise you will say, what is this for? We don't know. There are many students who say that ye kya hai? JAIIB. Okay? Yeah, there's still something. Hold on. Now it's okay? Yeah. So now, which of the following is not the step towards conversion of data into decision? Process, information, inaction and decision. Process, information, inaction and decision. Now firstly understand data into decision. What is data into decision? What is data? What is decision? See here, you can always take the decision. You can always take the decision if you have information, not data. See this, data needs to be converted to information. Data needs to be converted to information. Kindly note, data needs to be converted to information. Only then it will be helpful in decision. You can take the decision only when you convert the data into information. Now what do you mean by this? Data into information. What do you mean by this? See here, very simple, I'll tell you. Data, information. Suppose if I tomorrow tell you that, see, I'm having the forms filled, okay, by 10,000 people. Forms, full forms are filled, 2-page forms are filled. And now I want you to study that. And I want to take the decision, I want you to take the decision from that forms. What will you say? You will say, sir, pagal ho gaya hu kya main? 10,000 forms kaun dekhega? Who will see these 10,000 forms? Who will see the 10,000 forms? And getting each data from that and then taking the decision, who will do it? So then what do? In each form, in that form, whenever you have something, whatever, age, okay? So what do? You make a column of age, and put someone to work on that. And that person will just type everything, age over here, 10, 20, 50, 40, all these 10,000 numbers will be put over here, 10,000, see this. All these 10,000 numbers will be put over here, down, okay? So this becomes an information. That form is just a data. What becomes information is this. So whenever you want to take the decision, you have to convert the data into information. Okay? So inaction. Inaction means what? Doing no action. Sitting idle. हाँ भाई क्या चल रहा है? पान खाओगे? Right? Inaction. Time pass. Will inaction help you to convert your data into information? You've seen that there are many guys, you go to your place only, wherever you are working, wherever you are staying. You see there are many people sitting there on pan shops. हाँ भाई और क्या है? This guy is doing that. ये गवर्नमेंट तो बेकार है. ये पर्सन तो काम ही नहीं करता. या टाइम पास. Okay? So inaction. So kindly note, inaction is the answer, which is not required. Kindly note, okay? Inaction is not required over here. One sec. So inaction is the answer. Got it? What is this? Pen. Inaction is the answer. Okay, next one. Before going ahead, let me cover some theory now. This theory, are you able to see this properly? Okay. Internal control, monetary policy, risk management, macroeconomy. What does MIS cover? Kindly note. What does MIS cover? MIS covers these all points. Internal control, monetary policy, risk management, macroeconomy and banking system. It covers all these elements. Okay, so MIS will control or cover all these elements. Internal control means, what is internal control? Internal control means complete your control right from the basic level to the MD level. Monetary policy, risk management. Risk is a major part in any organization. If you can't control the risk, your organization will go down. You see the example of which bank? Silicon Valley Bank, Credit Suisse. Credit Suisse was one of the biggest insurance provider, co-insurance provider. What happened? AIG, America. Okay, all these gone. So monetary policy, risk management, macroeconomy, banking system, it will cover everything. Okay. Now next part is, what is the second part? Look at this. Financial system, regulatory compliance, payables and receivables. GI, this is a big part. So let's move this. Important part is this. Okay, what does it cover? What are the types of information systems used in the banking? Which are the information systems which are used in the banking? We are only concerned with banks. That earlier one was for bank and the other financial systems. Apne kya karna hai? We have to give our CIB. Do you have to get how many of you want to get complete knowledge of all the subjects? Or how many of you want to clear JAIIB? You all want to clear JAIIB, right? So focus on that part only. Banking. Let's focus on banking. So what does it cover? Types of information systems used in banks. This is the exam question. This you get it in exam. One is office automation system. Second is TPS, transaction processing system. Third is MIS, management information system. Decision support system, DSS. And last one is expert information system. All these are the main core you can call it, core of any company. All these are needed in any company. Let me explain you one by one. Office Automation System, OAS. What is OAS? Office Automation System means minimal transfer of papers from here and there. Minimal transfer means what? Minimum paperwork. Minimum paper. Okay? Everything should be online. We have this, under this automation system only, you have this ERP, you have the SAP. Okay, you have various technologies now. AI is a part of that only, means it is going to change things. Okay, so office automation system, automate the office, everything should be online. Transaction processing system, what is TPS? Transaction means all your cash clearing transfer. Cash, clearing, transfer, all these things, account opening, everything, all types of transactions, whatever you do, all types of transactions are in this. Okay? Transaction, all of you are in some transaction, in the branch you are, right? You are doing some transaction. So, when somebody might be in account opening, somebody might be in this, cash, clearing, transfer, somebody might be in loans. All these are transactions. Whatever you input in the system is known as TPS, Transaction Processing System. Third is MIS, Management Information System. Now, MIS, you will say, sir, everything is MIS. Then what is this? Here, MIS, actually MIS covers everything. Everything is covered under MIS. But specifically this part means what the management needs. Management needs some information. Suppose let's say I give some information to the top management regarding some fraud has happened in your branch. It happens now. Frauds happen in a branch. Suppose if some fraud has happened in the branch, how will the management come to know? How should the management come to know? Will it come to know through newspaper? Will it come to know through newspaper? Should it come to know through newspaper? No. It must come to know through the internal sources first. That is very important. Internal sources. So, information must pass on through internal sources. Okay? Kindly note, if your boss or if your top management gets some information which has happened in your bank, some fraud or anything which has happened in your bank through some external sources, they are so much angry that you can't even imagine. Have you seen this? Have you experienced this? Anyone? Something happened and your boss came to know from outside. And then dhulai, right? Dhulai, washing powder Nirma, zap, 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 right? How many of you have gone through this? I have gone through this in my banking. I have gone through this. I tried to hide something, and then the boss came to know from outside. Washing powder Nirma. Okay? So, that's MIS. Third is DSS. What is DSS? Decision Support System. What is Decision Support System? Here, suppose if I will give you a simple example. Tomorrow, let me say, if I have, let's say, in my branch, I am having 200 cash transactions on a daily basis. Imagine, 200. So, 200 cash transactions, what will I do? Cash transactions. I am having 200 cash transactions in my branch. So, what will I do? I will give all the cash details, okay, to my regional manager. All the cash details. This guy came, he deposited 200 rupees, this guy withdrew 10,000 rupees, this guy did this. I will give all the information to my regional manager. Similarly, all the branches will give the information. What will that regional manager do? The regional manager will firstly try to remove you. Simple. He will first try to remove you from that position. He will say that कुछ काम का नहीं, इसको समझता ही नहीं कुछ भी. Right? And if it is not changing, then he will resign. Isn't it? That's the thing. Either he'll change you or he'll change himself. So, does your regional manager want all the cash transactions? No. Your regional manager will require only those transactions which are problematic. So, DSS means what? Problematic, which are concerned to them. Problematic. So, your top management always requires that information only which is useful to them. Not all the information. Does your MD take the record of all the cash clearing transfer transactions happening in your branch? No. Isn't it? So, DSS means only relevant information should be passed on. Okay. If I have a cash difference, then which transaction was the one in which the cash difference happened? Who was the cashier? This name should be given. That's it. And last one is what? Expert Information System, EIS. Now, this is generally used in head office at the product development level. This is generally used at product development level. Okay, development, or it can be in any source, product development level. So, it is generally used at this expert information system. What do you mean by this? Expert information. Here all of them gather. Nowadays they don't gather at one spot because it's not possible gathering at one spot. So, nowadays what do? They are on various platforms, various other parts, and they come on a common platform through either Google Meet or anything, or internal Meet. Okay. So, they exchange their views. So, this exchanging of views of the experts is done through this expert information system. Very important. Out of this, I will tell you, TPS will be asked to you, DSS will be asked to you, and MIS will be asked to you. These three will be surely asked to you in exam. Surely. Okay, TPS, MIS, and DSS. Okay. So, let's move on to some question now. Okay, otherwise you will get bored. Again, what happens? If I give you all the movie, if I show you the movie which has no action, this movie has, let's say, no action, only Rona Dhona, or very information, scholarly information, good information, but no interesting, no action. Will you like that movie? You will say, Chodo na yaar. First only I have so much headache. Why do I take the more headache from you, sir? So, that's why look at our movies. All our movies have everything. They have action, they have songs, they have their drama also, Rona Dhona. Okay? Many things are there. So, now theory is done. Now, let's go for some objective question. The customer chooses a bank mainly on which of the following factors? Ease of doing business, quality of personnel and service, range of financial services, and all of the above. Whenever you choose any bank, whenever you will open an account in any bank, what will you first look at? What will you first look at? Will you look at the ease of doing business, or will you look at quality of the personnel, means how the staff is behaving with you? That's also important. Okay? And range of financial services. Now, how is this topic related to MIS? It is related over here. Ease of doing business. If your MIS is strong, the customer will find it very easy to deal with you. If your MIS is strong, if your MIS is weak, then everything goes out for a toss. Quality of personnel and service will be hampered because you won't be able to give them the service because you don't know at all. Because there is no management information, there is no information for you. A range of financial services. What all products do I give? Can I give? Again, here MIS is useful. If you know what all products, okay, are required in the society now, then only you will be able to give these products. Okay. So, range of financial services. So, it is all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Kindly note. Okay. This is the answer. All of the above. Got it? Next one. The factors affecting issues related to MIS are mainly. So which are the factors which are affecting the MIS? Look at this: humanistic factors, organizational factors, environmental factors, and all of the above. What is this? Humanistic, organizational, environmental, and all of the above. What is this? Think. Now you think. In the meantime, before going ahead, let me tell you this Y432 code. Okay, don't forget this. Otherwise, you will do everything. You will study this. You will do this. Do the complete session and like it. Have you liked it, everyone? Have you liked it? Like this first. I am seeing lesser likes. Like this first. Okay. Use the code Y432. Like this first. Use the code Y432 to purchase anything from Adda 24/7. Let it be your batches, let it be your Mahapack, let it be a promotion batch, anything. Never forget this code Y432. The factors affecting issues related to MIS are humanistic factors, organizational factors, environmental. What is environmental? Humanistic is okay. Humanistic means human being. Many of you will argue on this. Why human being? ये तो machine का काम है. MIS is completely computerized. But human factors do matter. Let it be any machine, let it be any computer, let it be any AI. No company can run without human beings. So humanistic factors are very important. Organizational factors, correct. Environment of the organization. What is organizational? What is the culture of organizations? You'll say, what is culture? I'll tell you what is culture. When the computers came in banking, in 1980s, 85-90 roughly the computers came. At that time, it was spread among all the employees that see, computers have come, now your jobs will go. Same thing is now spread regarding AI also, isn't it? AI also all are telling the same, na? AI aayega, sab jobs khayega. Nothing happens like this. Because of these computers, has the banking employment stopped? What was the number of bank employees in 1985? What is it today? It is more than, just now I saw it, around 8.5 lakhs is the intake of private banking. Private banking intake is 8.5 lakhs in our country, and these nationalized banks have come to 7.5 lakhs. So roughly what? 8 plus 7 plus 1. Okay? So 16 lakhs are the bank employees. In 1985, there were not more than 4-5 lakhs. So nothing happens. Organizational factors. I was talking about this part. Organizational factors. Organizational factors means what is the culture in that organization. Environmental factors. What is the environment? Now, environment doesn't mean always the greenery and environment. It can be the environment in your organization also. Okay, environment means that also. So the basic answer is all of the above. Okay, all of the above. All of them are responsible. Even if you consider environment, greenery means water, all this, nisarga, nature. Even if you consider that, then also these factors are important in MIS. Okay, can I have a server, okay, at 70 degrees temperature? No, I can't have a server. The server will burst. Server needs cooled. You have seen this na? In your branches. Server AC. AC is not there for you. That AC is for that server. Isn't it? Because server needs AC. If you tomorrow don't come, nothing happens. But if the server doesn't work tomorrow, saaf. Washing powder Nirma. Washing powder Nirma. Right? Everything is gone. So, environmental factors are also important. Okay? Which of the following is essential to determine the nature of the products the bank wants to offer and the way it wants to develop its customer portfolio in implementation of CRM by the banks? Now this CRM, you'll ask me, sir, CRM, how is it useful? See this. How is it related? Implementation of CRM, in fact, this CRM, or even you can call this MIS also, all the factors are same over here. Because you can have CRM only if you have strong MIS. Kindly note, CRM is based on MIS only. What is CRM? Customer Relationship Management. Customer Relationship. You have a separate topic on this. We'll be doing this. Management. Okay. You have a separate topic on this, customer relationship management. CRM means basically what? Basically it is for HNI clients. Kindly note this. Let anyone say anything. Basically it is for HNI clients. Kindly note this. Okay. It is for HNI clients. Okay. CRM is for HNI. No, you can't go for CRM for somebody depositing 1000 rupees and come withdrawing 600 rupees. And then coming to you, sir, ये 12 रुपया कैसे डेबिट हुआ? What are these 12 rupees charges? आपकी बैंक तो लूटती है, आपकी बैंक तो चोर है, 12 रुपया लेती है. You can't have this CRM for these guys. Okay. So important part over here is kindly remember this CRM is based on MIS. If your MIS is strong, only then you will be able to judge who is the HNI client of mine. Okay, you will get the data from that. Okay, so implementation of CRM or MIS, anything you can call it. For both the factors are same. Information processes, information systems, business processes and internal organizational structure. So which of them are useful? Essential. Okay. Or I'll give you one more option in this. E. All of the above. All of the above. Take this also one of the options. So, what do you think? Information process, information systems, business processes and internal organizational structure. Which of them is useful for implementation of CRM or MIS? Both. Yeah, these are all related. Huh? Yeah. What do you say? It is all of the above. Okay. All of the above. See, this information processes are also required. Process means how the information will flow from data to information. See this. Let me remove this. Whatever is not required now. Okay. So E is gone now. All. Let me write just simple all now. Okay. All of above. That's okay. So all. So data information process means data to information. Info. Okay. This is basically the information process. Information systems. Systems are designed based on the process. Process will always help to design the system. If you have the process right, then only your system will work. If your process is not right, then your system will not work. Business process. Business process means how do you do the business? Means what? What do you mean by this business process? What is the lineage, line of businesses? What is the line? Does your sales team offer the right solution, what is promised by the bank? Or does your sales team sell anything? It happens now in your bank. Many of the bank it happens. Business process. My job is only sales. I don't know what happens next. Very wrong. If you sell anything, then your brand name goes. And brand name doesn't go of you. Brand name goes of the bank, not of you. Okay? Nowadays you have this na business process. मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम. Get your target. That's it. I don't know anything. That is business process. That should not be the way. Okay? Internal organizational structure. So obviously, just now I explained you the internal environment of the bank. So the answer is E. All of them. Now action is done some. Now let's go to some Rona Dona theory. Are you able to view this? Yeah. A bank's MIS should be designed to achieve the following goals. Why should the MIS be there? Action is done. Fighting हो गया अभी. अभी थोड़ा सास बहू का सीरियल. ओके. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. ओके. A bank's MIS should be designed to achieve the following goals. What are the following goals? Enhance the communication among the employees. Isn't it? If you have the communication right, information systems right, then the employees will be able to do the teamwork. Otherwise, how will they be able to do the teamwork? Enhance communication among the employees. Deliver complex material through institutions. Complex means, what is this complex material? I'll give you a simple example. Why all the banks are not able to sell PMS? What is PMS? Portfolio Management Services. What is PMS? Portfolio Management Services. How many of you know this? PMS. How many of you know this? PMS. PMS. And if you don't know this, kindly note, you have a topic in your investment management. This topic is there. Portfolio management. This topic is there. Okay. So, why all the banks are not selling PMS? Why only few banks? I have seen few private banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. In nationalized also I am seeing SBI, PNB, BOB. They are selling PMS. But main these private banks have taken a huge leap in this. Why? Why is this happening? Because systems, MIS. PMS is a complex product, very complex. Minimum investment for PMS is 50 lakhs. Minimum 50 lakhs. Okay, complex, very complex product. You have to sell under PMS various combinations. Okay, PMS products are of various big names. They have their own PMS products. So you have to design the PMS products and then sell it. But the point is, if your PMS product goes wrong, the customer faces losses. The customer will sue you in court. Of course, the court will go in your side only because the bindings are, but your brand name will be gone. Customer can sue you also if you promise wrong things. Okay. Complex products means difficult products. Okay. Saving current FD is normal. What is complex? Complex means sweep in product. Simple. Sweep in, sweep out in FD. Okay. So deliver complex material through the institution. Okay. Then provide an objective. What is this? Provide an objective system for recording and aggregating information. So recording and aggregating. Your information should be gathered, collected and recorded also and kept it safe. Safekeeping is also important. Reduce expenses related to labor intensive manual activities. Labor intensive. Here, the more your bank is automized, the lesser will be the expense on physical labor. Kindly note, more your bank is automized here. Always remember, if your automation is more, MIS is strong, automation is more, then expenses on physical labor will be less. Kindly note, if your automation is more, the expenses on physical labor will be less. Labor intensive products will be lesser. More complex products will be given. Okay, these are the important points in this. Next, reduce expenses relating to labor intensive, done. Next, support the organization's strategic goals and directions. Now this strategy word many of the students don't understand. Means in fact many of us don't understand. Okay. What is this strategy word? Strategy. Strategic. What is this strategy? Okay. Let me give you an example. How many of you remember the word? I'll write few words over here. Kodak. Kodak. Nokia. Kodak, Nokia. How many of you remember these names? Kodak, Nokia. Anyone remembers? What was Kodak? Type in the comment section. What was Kodak? In the comment section. Kodak was a film company, film. It was among the top 10 companies in the world. in the world. Where is Kodak now? Zero, gone. Nokia is the best example. Just now, 2008 to 10 roughly. Every phone in our country was Nokia. Every phone. Okay? Every phone in the country was of Nokia. Where is Nokia today? Gone. Why? Why did I give these two examples, Kodak and Nokia? Why did these companies go? Strategy. Strategy means always remember long term. Long term. You must be able to judge whatever is going to be the future. If Nokia would have judged that Android phones are coming and they have to shift to Android, Nokia would have been the leader still. They didn't. Android was rising and Nokia didn't. Same thing is happening in banks also. Banks are also still in their mindset. Many of the bankers are still in the mindset. My bank mein baithunga, I'll sit this, customer will come to me, then I'll do the job, that customer's work. That also if I feel. Gone are the days. Gone. Everything is gone. Strategy is long term. Now it's the time is of customer. Customer is a king. And with the advent of internet, what has happened? Customer has gone, means customer doesn't wait nowadays. Okay? What is the need of MIS in banking? Why should we have MIS in banking? Regulatory requirements indicated by RBI for preparation of off-site monitoring, surveillance, reports on a regular basis in electronic format. Everything nowadays RBI requires, just put it in that website. Whatever their software is given, you have to put it in that and it is done. So what is the need of MIS? Look at this, everyone. First they read everything. Okay? Regulatory requirement indicated by RBI. So RBI nowadays, as I told you, requires everything. Everything. In what? It requires it in your online format. They don't want physical format, anything. Need for timely submission of balance sheets and profit and loss account. Isn't it? It means the same. Any reporting which you have to do it in a timely manner, isn't it? Need for interbranch reconciliation of accounts within definite time frame. Now, everywhere look at this, you will find one important word, time. Time. Okay? Here also somewhere it will be there. Okay? Why this time? This is called as TAT, turnaround time. TAT is very important nowadays. Without TAT, your lag gaye VAT. Okay? TAT, no TAT, tumhari lag gaye VAT. That rhyming is not there. TAT, VAT. Okay? So, let's call it TAT. Without TAT, tumhari lag gaye VAT. Okay? So, TATs are very important nowadays. Okay? Without TAT, you can't work at all. Everything is having a timeline. So, need for interbranch reconciliation. See this, interbranch reconciliation means what? Within the branches, we have so many transactions. Funds are being transferred from one branch to another. Then assets are being transferred. Computers are transferred. So, all this. Through MIS only you can do it. If you have a strong MIS, only then you can do this. Need to undertake risk management strategies and for this purpose build appropriate sets of data and market intelligence reports, right? Undertake risk management strategies and for this purpose build an appropriate sets of data and market intelligence report. So, risk management strategies, managing the risk is the most important part nowadays in banking. Risks are of three types. In your JAIIB also you have this. Three risks are there. Which are the three risks in banking? Operations, then market, and third one is, anyone knows what is the third one? Operations, market, and third one is credit risk. So these are the three risks in banking. Kindly note. These are the three main risks in banking. Okay? Operations, market and credit. Got it everyone? Clear? Move on. Now let's do some action again. Fight. Which of the following aspect is not included in CRM? Now this CRM I have taken it. You can take this for MIS also because it's one and the same. Both are dependent on each other. Okay. So let's solve this for CRM also. Not an issue because for MIS not many questions are available. On CRM huge lot of questions are available. Both are technology issues. Okay. So let's answer this also. Okay. Let's answer this. Providing the right sales and service processes to achieve total customer satisfaction. Okay. Providing the right sales and services to achieve total customer satisfaction. Maximize response time to customers' inquiries. Okay. Which of the following is not included? You want not included. Not. You can use this for MIS also. Not included in MIS. Providing right sales and services process to achieve total customer satisfaction. Maximize response time to customers' inquiries and requirements. Capturing the customer's profile through technology enabled model. Designing suitable products and services to cater to different information buckets. Think over it now. Think over it. What will be the answer over here? Think over it everyone. Yes, what are you getting? You want not included. Kindly note. You want not included. Which of them is not included? That is important. Not included. Yes. In the comment section, I am getting some answers. See this. It is. It is this one. B. Maximize. It should not be maximize. It should be minimize. This is the right answer. Minimize. Minimize is the right answer, not maximize. Okay? Got it? Got it? Everyone clear? Minimize is the right answer. It should not be maximize at all. If you are maximizing the response time, customer will run away. Now customer wants everything fast. Customer doesn't want it slow now. Okay, so minimize is the right answer. Now everyone, minimize means what? It is basically the business. Otherwise the customer will run away. Now let's talk about business again. Use this code Y432. I have told you. Y432 to purchase any of the products from Adda20. How will you purchase this? From where will you purchase this? Let me show you. From where will you purchase the products? Go to Adda24/7. Always I will suggest you to go through the app. In the app you get 1% extra. Okay, so go through the app always. Okay, see this. Go to Adda24/7 through the app, definite for 1% extra. Okay, click on JAIIB and CIB. In the app you are getting the coin systems. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Click on this. Now see this. There are 2-3 options for you. Best option I will tell you, purchase the Mahapack. JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Best Mahapack. You can purchase it now for your JAIIB and use it for your CIB also. See the JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Double validity is there. Means you buy it for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. 2 years. Ek pe ek free. You get 15 plus batches in this. 15 plus. Okay. E-books, test series, live classes, recorded sessions, everything you are getting. And click on this buy now. Look at this discount. What is the code I told you? Y432. सारे तालों की एक ही चाबी. सारे तालों की एक ही चाबी, Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 77% off you are getting right now, 77. Okay, this 77% discount plus 1% extra through the app. Okay, so 1% extra you will be getting through the app. Don't miss this. 77 plus 1, 78% discount you are getting. Plus double validity. See this, you are able to see this now? Yeah. See this, double validity, 12 plus 12 months plus 78% off. So don't miss it and immediately join the Mahapack. You can join the classes also, live batches also. New batch is starting. Let me show you the new batch. That is also very important. See this. Let me show you the new batches. See this. Click on JAIIB May 25. You will see this new batch, winners batch. Okay, winners batch, it is starting from 8th. Okay, so join this. Ebooks, test series, online live classes. Ebooks are to the level of chapter wise. Per chapter you are getting the ebook. Test you are getting per chapter. What all do you need? And discount, use discount. See this, just now I gave you na same discount offers are going on. But for that, सारे तालों की एक ही चाबी, Y432. Y432, never forget this. Okay, Y432. Apply to get this 77% discount plus 1% extra through the app. So don't forget it and join the batches immediately. Fresh batch, complete knowledge. Okay, chalo, bye everyone.